barometer is right here. It's placed right here, and that's what we are using for the measuring the pressure. That's the device that measures atmospheric pressure. And if you kind of look closely, we have the level of the mercury. This mercury, it shows like the height of the mercury. It shows what's the pressure. If there's more pressure, the mercury would go higher, and we read that level. This has nothing to do with the pressure outside of this room or this lab. What we are measuring here is the pressure for this room. Please so say that it's like, it's normally sea level is 760. This is very close to it. It's 750, but we have to again read the meniscus. So with the meniscus here, it's almost 750, between 52 and 53. And then if you look at this number on the side, it's actually 10 lining up perfectly, so it would be 52. 752, that's the barometric pressure. That needs to be changed to ATM because that's what is used in ideal gas law. And we can go back. We measured everything. We measured everything that we needed for the experiment. We have our temperature, we have the pressure, we have the volume, and we have the mass for the gas. So when we have the mass for the gas, and we calculate the number of moles from the formula, then we can calculate basically the mass for using the mass, we can calculate the molar mass for this unknown liquid. There are some additional questions you need to answer for this experiment, but that's the end of the experiment. Thank you.